Hello everyone, today we are celebrating an incredible journey of Ruchi Yadav, who has completed one impactful year as Senior Business Development Manager at Hike Education. From building strong professional connections to chasing ambitious targets, she has made every moment count with impact and intent. Let's take a look at her story, what kept her going and the moments that truly mattered. Let's meet the star. Hi Ruchi.
Hello sir.
So it's been a whole year. How do you feel looking back at your journey here?
It was a truly remarkable journey for me at Hike Education. From being a fresher to grow and learn, like I grew as a teammate. I learned a lot of things. As a if I say about my position that got changed. So it's been a really roller coaster journey over here in Hike Education.
So who has been your biggest support or inspiration at work?
So if I say about the biggest supporter or motivation, if I say, that was me, me and myself only. Because whenever days were low, I was the one who motivates myself. Like, Ruchi, you have to do it anyhow. You have to grab that sale. Even though I was on the very backlog phases at some time, I was in the very low phase also. I was the one who motivated me and keep pushing myself to grow and achieve the target.
So what's your go-to stress buster during a hectic day?
So if I say about the stress buster, that would be roaming with different teams on the floor, or even in the free time I scroll down through various shopping apps and watching out the reels. So yeah, that would be a stress buster to me.
Where do you see yourself in next 1 year at Hike Education?
If I say about my next journey at Hike Education, I would like to join the female league. Like I want to join the league of the leadership category, like Parneet ma'am, Ruchi ma'am. So I want to be a leader over it.
What do you think makes your team different from others?
See, if I say about my team, what makes us different is their ability, or if I say about the zeal to grow and to achieve the targets. Whether the situation is like we are in very low phase, even we haven't achieved the targets of the current month, but they are having the zeal, we will do it, sir.
Ruchi, what was your one low moment in your 1 year journey at Hike Education, and how did you come out of that?
If I say about my low moment, that was at the time period when my numbers were not happening. It was 2 continuous months where numbers were very low, like they were like approximately 75% and above. But if I say what motivated me was my manager only. He told me like, Ruchi, it's you and your mindset that will drive you. And definitely after that, I like really achieved good numbers in consecutive months. So that was a motivating journey for me.
What's one thing you still want to improve about yourself as a professional?
So if I say one thing that I want to improve, sometimes what happens now, numbers are not being happened, like it's sales, you face some low phases over here. So at that particular time, I become very casual. I start taking leaves. I behave very casually at floor. So Ravinder said, come to my desk and tell me, Ruchi, make your mind, you are into sales. Then yeah, I want to improve myself as a professional. I want to be more focused toward my job role, whatever is told me to complete the numbers, or even if I say if sometimes numbers are not happening, so I should stay focused instead of being distracted.
What advice would you give to someone joining the company today?
See, if I say about the piece of advice I want to give to like new joinee, that would be make your mind that you are into sales. There will be stress, and if I say there will be adventures also, there will be a time when you will get success, there will be a time wherein you will be into a low phase also, but yes, in the future definitely you will be seeking a good growth at Hike Education.
Ruchi, here we come to the fun segment of today's interview. So what I'm going to do is tell you some lines which are said by obviously your teammates, and you have to guess which teammate has said this line and on what context.
Perfect.
So here comes the first one. दुनिया का कोई भी टेस्टी खाना खिला दो, लेकिन सबसे टेस्टी खाना होता है पहाड़ों का, क्योंकि रुचि पहाड़ों से है.
Obviously ये चीज एक ही बंदा बोल सकता है, that is from my team, that is अंश भैया, none other than him. जैसे कैसा होता है like we are having lunch at pantry side, तो वो कुछ भी खाना ले आए, भले ही वो कितना सुपर टेस्टी खाना हो, पर मेरे को उनको दिखाना होता है नहीं मेरा खाना सबसे बेस्ट है, तो यस इसीलिए वो लोग मुझे चिढ़ाते रहते हैं frequently.
This is the next one. चलो रॉक पेपर सीजर खेलते हैं, जो हारा वो जूस पिलाएगा।
ऑब्वियसली इसमें तो मैं बहुत बार हार चुकी हूँ एंड इस बेट में मेरे ऑलमोस्ट 150 रुपीज़ चले भी गए हैं एंड अभी तक लेकिन जूस की पार्टी पेंडिंग है। ही इज़ नन अदर देन अजीम सर।
नेक्स्ट लाइन इज ए रुचि, आओ बैठ जाएं।
सुबह से यही सुनते आ रही हूँ सर। ही इज़ पुष्कर माय मित्र।
This one is intellectual. Remember that discussion of Chai and Lal Babu in break?
ऑब्वियसली आई रिमेंबर नरगिस। सो लाल बाबू की जो शॉप है वो हमारी गो टू प्लेस है नरगिस और मेरी फॉर द डिस्कशन पार्ट। तो या दिस इज नरगिस।
So Ruchi, great. All guesses were correct. मतलब आप अपनी टीम मेंबर्स को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
So winding up the interview, Ruchi, we have seen that Ruchi who enjoys, plays around, and is very happy with the teammates and the colleagues. So my question is, what makes good teammates, and how does it impact your work?
See, if I say about particularly this question, it's been really great opportunity for me first of all to work in such an amazing team. Like आपका कोई भी situation हो, even you are demotivated, they are the one. रुचि चलो चलते हैं कोस्टर, रुचि चलो आज चलते हैं यशवंत प्लेस. So आप demotivated भी हो, someone like people around you who motivates you, who pump you, like Ruchi you can do it, forget the things who you have lost. लाइक लुक फॉर द फ्यूचर अहेड. जो आपको आगे मिल रहा है वो मुझे नॉट इवन मोटिवेट करते हैं फॉर द सेल्स, दे इवन मोटिवेट मी विद द ग्रोथ पार्ट. रुचि सिर्फ सीनियर BDM थोड़ी ना बनना है, अभी तो मैनेजर बनना है, अभी तो आपको आगे और ग्रो करना है. तो डेफिनेटली उनका जो माइंडसेट रहता है, उनका फन लविंग नेचर, दैट मोटिवेट्स मी अ लॉट.
Thank you, Ruchi, for a year filled with reliability, responsibility, and remarkable results. Work anniversaries are more than just dates on a calendar. They reflect growth, commitment, and everyday wins. Here is Ruchi's journey so far and many more milestones yet to come. Stay tuned for more inspiring journeys at #Life at Hike.